Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning everyone. My name is Bayu Adi Bowo. I'm an English teacher of Senior High School Muhammadiyah Wan Karanganyar. And now I'm a student of program Profesi Guru 2021 in State University of Surabaya. Today I would like to share my experience in teaching learning process. This activities is used to complete my recruitment in Uji Kinerja Pendidikan Profesi Guru 2021 in State University of Surabaya. Here is my card. Thanks for nice attention. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, students.
Good morning.
How is your life this morning?
I'm fine, sir.
And I'm very well, thank you. Have you eaten breakfast today?
Yes, sir.
Before we start our lesson today, who wants to be my assistant to lead pray?
Surya, sir.
Okay, Surya, time's yours.
Okay, let's pray together. Begin. Finish. I would like to check our connection internet first. Can you hear my voice here clearly? Yes, sir.
It's clear, yeah? And then I would like to check our attendance first. Okay, I think no one absent today ya. Alhamdulillah semuanya sehat ya. Everything is okay? Because at this time, healthy is very important, right? We are still in pandemic situation. You must comply with COVID-19 protocol. What is it?
Wearing mask, social distancing.
Hi.
Okay, wearing masks, wash your hand, and then physical distancing when you go outside. Okay. Well, okay, class, please pay attention on the screen. There are classroom rules that you must remember during learning process, so that learning objectives today are achieved. Okay. For the first, during the learning process, you must keep your camera on, and then listen when your teacher is talking. And then pay attention to the explanation given carefully. You may take some notes. And then follow direction quickly. And then if there is something you don't understand, you might ask question by pressing the raise hand. And then pay attention to your friend question or their presentation. And the last, you must be active. Okay? Any question?
No, sir.
Okay. Okay, before we are going to learn in this meeting, I would like to review about the material in the last meeting. Did you study last night, student?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
What we have learned in the last meeting?
About descriptive
Exam.
And then?
Historical grouping.
Okay, that's good. That's good. Do you remember what is generic structure of descriptive text? Who wants to be answered?
Me, sir.
Okay, Sheila.
The generic structure is identification and description.
Okay, that's good. Excellent, Sheila. Thank you. Okay, are you ready for learning today?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Already.
I want to hear your spirit with yel-yel maybe. Oke, kita yel-yel dulu ya.
Sir.
Semangat. SMA.
Maju.
Bersama semua.
Muhi.
Luar biasa.
Science 5.
Excellent.
Okay, give applause for us. Thank you, class. We are going to learn about a new material today. Please guess what we are going to learn today. Jadi tebak, kira-kira apa yang akan kita pelajari hari ini? Okay, I have a question. Did you open the Sina Online before lesson today?
Yes, sir.
What I have written in the Sina Online?
Student workshop. Student workshop.
About Lindsay Meet, student worksheet. Again, that's good. And then, what is the information called?
Pemberitahuan message
Okay, pemberitahuan. Another answer? Okay, that's good. It's about announcement. Excellent, that's good. It's about announcement. So, what we are going to learn today?
Sir.
Okay, that's good. It's about announcement. Yeah, well, class, we will learn about announcement. How to say in bahasa?
Pemberitahuan.
Okay, pemberitahuan atau pengumuman. Okay, that's good. So this is very important for you to learn because we can know the form of announcement or understand the content of announcement in our daily life. Kali kan kita sering temui teks pengumuman di lingkungan sekitar kita. Of course, we must always improve our vocabulary mastery so that it is easy for us to learn English, including the announcement text. So prepare early about everything. Like this code, yeah. The best preparation for tomorrow is doing your best today. Persiapan terbaik untuk hari esok adalah melakukan yang terbaik. Okay, here the learning objectives today. At the end of the lesson, the first is different subject in the form of announcement, and the second analyze the social function of announcement about the purpose, benefit, and impact of the text. And the third is analyze the generic structure in the form of announcement about the information in the text idea or idea presented. And the last, analyze the language feature in the form of announcement about general vocabulary, correcting verb in active and passive form, and preposition for the right place and time. Okay, so far student, any question?
No, sir.
Okay, that's good. And next, what we are going to do today, yeah. So it is the step of learning today. Ini adalah langkah-langkah pembelajaran hari ini. For the first is observing. Okay, find the information about announcement text. And the second is group work. Have a group discussion, WhatsApp group about student worksheet. And the third is presentation. Group presentation and discussion. Number 4 is conclusion. Concluding by making summary, and the last is evaluation. Formative test using quizzes. So far, student, any question?
Yes, sir.
No, sir.
Okay, class, I will show you the video. Please pay attention and find the information about this video. Okay, can you see on the screen? Bisa dilihat semuanya ya?
Sir.
Okay, let's go. Please pay attention and find the information about the video from YouTube.
Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. This is your first officer, Tani Antawijaya, speaking from flight deck. In a few moments, we'll be beginning our descent for Soekarno-Hatta International Airport in Tangerang, Banten, and expected to be at the gate at 2 p.m. local time. The current weather in Soekarno-Hatta is reported to be partly cloudy with visibility of 5 kilometers. The ground temperature is reported to be 27 degrees Celsius with the wind coming from the north. On behalf of Captain of this flight, Captain Mirwan Scott, and the entire crew member, would like to say thank you for choosing Garuda Indonesia member of SkyTeam. If there is anything we can do to make your flight more enjoyable, please do not hesitate to ask our cabin crew. They will be more than happy to pass your request to us. We are sincerely hoping to see you on board again whenever your travel plan permit, and welcome to Jakarta.
Let's check the question after you watch this video. Please answer the question. For number 1, have you ever heard a thing such in the video?
Yes, sir.
Number second, where? Di mana? Where?
In the airport.
Okay, that's good, Sunny. In the airport. Third is, what do you think about the video?
I think she give announcement for landing or flight.
Okay, that's good, Naisha. Okay, and then we are going to second example. Look at the picture, please. Okay, who wants to be my assistant to read the text?
Miss Cynthia.
Okay, Cynthia, thank you. Cynthia, please read the text carefully, loudly.
Announcement. School activity. Literacy contest. Join the contest. Preston second speech will be held on 10 October 2021. The time is Green School. Contact person Mrs. Risma. WhatsApp 0805 12345 678. Thank you, sir.
Good. Cynthia, thank you. Please answer the following question after you read the text. Okay, for question number 1. What is the text tell about? Who wants to be answered?
Surya, sir. It's
Answer
about
number 1.
school activity, about announcement, about literacy contest.
Okay, that's good. Very well. And then number 2. Why do you think the writer wrote in the picture?
Mr. Sela.
Okay, Sheila.
The writer want to announce the reader give information.
Okay, that's good. Nice. Number 3. What is the difference with previous announcement? Kira-kira perbedaannya apa?
Indonesia.
Okay, Nesha.
Pertama tadi pengumuman yang di airport, yang kedua pengumuman brosur. Pertama
Okay.
spoken, yang kedua written.
Okay, that's good. The first is spoken and the second is written. Yang pertama itu adalah spoken berupa pengumuman ya. Kemudian yang kedua is written berupa tulisan. Very well, Nesha. Number 4 and the last, what is the definition of announcement? Kira-kira apa pengertian dari announcement itu?
Bisa. Bila.
Azila, okay, Azila.
Announcement is a statement made to the public or to media which give information about something that has happened or that will happen.
Okay, good. After you know the definition and type of announcement text, next, what you want to learn and what you want to know. Kira-kira apa yang ingin kalian pelajari dan kalian ingin ketahui?
How to make
Kebahasan dari
cara menjawab soal announcement.
Okay, satu-satu. One by one. Okay, how to make announcement and then
Social function.
okay, social function. That's good. And the third?
Ciri kebahasaan dari announcement.
Okay, about language feature. Okay, that's good.
Cara menjawab.
Okay. How to answer the question about announcement. That's good. Here the problem statement in the student worksheet and you solve in the discussion process together. Okay? Jadi ini adalah student worksheet yang akan kalian pelajari atau kalian diskusikan di dalam kelompok nanti. You solve in the discussion process together. Okay? The first, you will read silently to understand the announcement. Make sure that you know the meaning of every word, of every part of the announcement. So take a note on your notebook. If you find some words that you do not understand, then consult the dictionary. Kalian bisa buka kamus ya, jika tidak mengetahui meaning of word-nya. And then I'm sure you have download the student worksheet on Sina Online. Sudah download semuanya ya?
Yes, sir.
Okay, good. Before we have discussion, I think we are ice breaking first ya, to check your focus. Jadi kita ice breaking dulu. I have there are many color ya. Saya punya banyak warna-warna of the words. So mention kind of the color. Okay, are you ready?
Ready.
Okay, don't forget to smile. Dan hurry up to answer.
Black. White.
Green.
Okay.
Yellow.
Yellow.
Red.
Green.
Black.
Blue. Red.
Orange.
White. Brown.
Okay, that's good. Class. So I think all of you is ready for discussion ya. Semuanya sudah siap. Ya, the group up. I will divide you in a group discussion in 4 ya. Nanti saya bagi grup. Please discuss through WhatsApp group. Ya, you must be active. Work together and manage the time to complete the student worksheet. So the discussion, I give you 10 minutes for discussion. Okay, after that you present the result of the discussion. Okay, understand?
Understand, sir.
Okay, for the first group is Surya, Cynthia, Sophia, Sony, and then the second group is Naswa, Eliana, Sally, Azila, Salsa, and the third group is Davin, Laila, Nanda, Rahma, Nindita, and the fourth group is Neisha, Rizkita, Sela, Tahta. Okay, so far student any question?
No, sir.
Okay, class, I'll give you 10 minutes for discussion. Please come on and hurry up. We are move on WhatsApp group. Okay, silakan. Well, class, I think enough for discussion. Please send your student worksheet on WhatsApp group. Ya, bagi yang belum. So this time for presentation to present the result of discussion. Okay, are you ready? Siap ya semuanya? Okay. Come on, who wants to be the presenter for presentation activity 1? For activity 1.
Me, sir.
Okay, Laila. Which group? Laila?
Third group.
Okay, from third group. Okay. Okay, please, Laila, it's time is yours. Can you share screen?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay, Laila, time is yours.
Thank you, Mr. Bayu. We are from third group. Sana enter the generic structure of the text in activity 1. First is opening. The opening is the starting part of the announcement text. The opening section contains the title and purpose of the announcement or an outline of the information to be conveyed in the announcement. In the announcement text above, the opening contains information that Ruang School will hold an online art competition 2021. Second is content. Content is a part of the contents of the announcement text. The content section contains complete information about things to be conveyed to the general public through the announcement. For example, if you want to announce an event, It means that the content section will contain the time and place of the event. The other provisions regarding the event, such as the dress code that must be worn or the requirements that must be broke. In the example announcement above, the content section contains complete information about the online art will hold about the online art competition 2021 start from the available race branches to the time of the competition. The last is closing. Closing is a part of the announcement text. The closing section contains information about the contact person who can be contacted regarding the announcement if the reader needs further information. In this section, you can also include the website or social media of the event announced. In the announcement above, the closing section contains
Okay, wait, Laila.
Ya, Pak.
Please zoom in part of closing. Zoom again. Zoom the text. Okay. Oh, nah. Okay. Can you continue the presentation?
Okay. In the announcement above, the closing section contains information on the website page to register for the competition and a contact person who can be contacted regarding the competition, as well as a contact person who can be contacted regarding the competition. That's all, sir.
Okay, thank you. Give applause for Laila and group. Okay, good. Yeah, you can stop sharing, Laila. Okay. So, any question for presentation from third group?
Yes, sir.
Okay, Cynthia.
What is the meaning of poem reading in Bahasa?
What is the meaning of poem reading in Bahasa? Okay, please from third group answer the question from Cynthia.
I try, Mr. Gavin.
Okay, Davin. Please
I try to
answer.
answer, sir.
Okay.
Poem reading in bahasa adalah membaca puisi. Jadi itu lomba membaca puisi.
Okay, good. Davin, thank you. Yeah. So, poem reading in bahasa adalah membaca puisi ya. Okay, very well. And then another question. Do you agree with presentation from third group?
No, sir.
Agree. Good presentation.
Yes,
Okay,
sir.
agree ya. Okay, good presentation from third group. Okay, once again give applause for third group. Okay. Thank you. And then we are continue in activity 2 in practice 1. Okay, class. We are continue in activity 2 in practice 1. Please the answer following question based on the text. Yeah. From the number 1. Who wants to be the answer question number 1?
Me, sir, from group 3.
Okay.
The announcement is about promotion of John Davis.
Okay, very well. Thank you. The announcement is about a promotion of John Davis. Okay, good. And then the question number 2, who might be interested in reading this announcement? Wants to be answered?
Kita from fourth group.
Okay, this kita.
Research in staff and client might be interesting at reading is. Yes, thank you, sir.
Okay, thank you, Rizkita. Good. Number 3, what is the purpose of publishing the announcement?
The purpose of this announcement is to create a good relation with all staff and client.
Okay, good, Nanda. And then the last question is what will happen after the announcement published?
Tahta, sir.
Okay, Tata, which group?
After the announcement published, research in staff and clients will know that John Davis be a new marketing head of the company.
Okay, good, Tata. Okay, class, for practice 2, who wants to be the presenter? Come on, which group?
Mr. Salsa
Salsa, from which group?
from second group.
From second group, okay. From second group. Can you share screen? Maybe your friend have the share screen.
Okay, thanks for time, Mr. Bayu. We are from second group. I want to present our discussion for about language feature from the activity 2. First, in opening, we give color in the text. Number 1, using attention text with yellow color. Ada I would like to. Number 2, noun phrase with red color, yaitu the promotion of a new marketing head of. Number 3, kemudian menggunakan present perfect, he has worked. Di bagian konten, number 1, a sentence or sentence in the second paragraph containing all important fact about the subject, the announcement. 1, the reason, and 2, the hope. The verb in the present perfect tense with green color. He has bought a whole percentage of the company business. His influence on sale and business retention has the excellent record of customer relation and timely service delivery. Number 2, a sentence or sentence in the third paragraph containing all important fact about the subject of the announcement. 3, to this, using future progressive with purple color. He will be leading the marketing team throughout this 5-year project and will also be working on various other concurrent projects. Part of closing, number 1, using noun phrase with give red color, yaitu outstanding performance. That's all, sir. Thank you.
Okay, thank you. Good. Give a plus. Okay. Give plus for Salsa and second group. Okay. Well done. Please give a response or question for third group ya, sorry. For third group, silakan.
Sure, the presentation is good enough.
Maybe I have a question for first group in the third paragraph. What is the main idea in the paragraph?
Surya, sir,
Okay.
invite to everyone to say congratulations.
Okay, very well. Good, Surya. And then, what is the meaning of outstanding perform in bahasa? Maybe for group, kelompok 4. What is the meaning outstanding perform in bahasa?
Kinerja yang luar biasa, sir.
Okay, very well, Nanda. Good. So it's clear, yeah, about presentation from second group. It's clear. Do you agree with presentation from second group?
Agree, sir.
Okay, good. And then we are going to make a conclusion. Wait. Okay. Before doing the evaluation, okay, class. Before doing the evaluation, we will conclude today's lesson first, ya. Kita berikan kesimpulan. So, what is the definition of announcement? Wants to be answered?
Me, sir.
Okay, ini kita. What is the announcement?
Statement containing information about something atau notification about information.
Okay, good. Yeah.
Giving certain people some information what has happened or what will happen to announce about something happened.
Okay, good. Very well. Here the definition and something said, written or printed to make known what has happened or more often and what will happen. Kind of form of announcement. The first is spoken announcement, and then the second is written announcement. Okay, and then in the social function of announcement is to inform the reader about the information to the public about what has happened or will happen. And then the generic structure, the first is opening, is concluding the starting purpose, the text that contain what the main idea of information or event will be held. And the second is content or detailed information containing starting day and date realization. So the text that contain when the event will be held. And then starting place, the text that contain where the event will be held. And the last is closing, informing sender, the text that containing the name of the person who will be contacted. And the last is linked features of announcement, the first is expression and vocabulary commonly used in announcement, and the second, the use of singular and plural nominals, precisely with or without the, this, those, my, etc. in nominal phrase. And the third is the use of verb accurately in active and passive form, and then proper use of preposition for place and time, and the last is about spelling, punctuation, and handwriting. Okay, so far student, any question?
No, sir. No, sir.
Okay.
No, sir.
It's clear? It's clear?
Clear.
Okay. Okay, time for quiz ya. I will give you formative test ya. Saya akan berikan formative test. Please open the quiz in chat room. Wait, I will send the quiz please. Okay, please open the chat room. Sudah muncul? You can see the link on the chat room. Please open the quiz. Silakan dimulai quiznya. Hurry up, manage your time. Okay, Sony on the lobby. Come on, Nesha. Okay. Okay, please answer the question carefully ya. Jangan buru-buru, but you must manage your time. Hurry up. Okay, come on, Nisha, yeah. Are you difficulties? Come on, hurry up. Okay, Lala in the first rank. Come on, hurry up, guys. Apakah ada yang belum bisa login? Ayo yang lain login. Okay, Sony, please answer carefully, pelan-pelan saja ya. Jangan buru-buru, Sony. Sony, do you have difficulties? Come on, hurry up. On. Give applause for us. Okay. Okay, well, class, we are in the end of the lesson. This is the reflection for learning activities today. Number one, what we have learned today?
About
Okay, that's good. And then the second, are you able to identify the social function, generic structure, and linkage feature of announcement?
Yes,
Yes, sir. Understand.
Okay, understand ya. And then the third, what do you like most of the material and activities?
what I most in the material is when we discuss and do the quiz, sir.
Okay, we are at the end of the lesson. For homework, you choose a topic and making an outline about announcement. Okay, the next meeting we will learn to make a written announcement with Canva. Jawab bersama-sama. So far, student, any question?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Okay. Okay, kelas SMA. Muhi.
Maju luar.
Science 5.
Excellent.
Okay, give applause for us. Okay, class. I want to take a photo for present today. Ya, jadi kita foto dulu ya. Please give your smile, and then. Okay, class. Okay, finish ya. Suara saya masuk ya. Okay. Okay, class. Thank you for joining this class. Hopefully today lesson can be useful and increase our knowledge ya. Semoga berkah ya apa yang kita pelajari hari ini. I think enough for today. Please the leader lead pray.
Yeah.
Okay.
Let's pray together. Begin. Finish.
Okay. Thank you class. Thanks for joining this class. I think enough for today. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.